Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIPS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a mathematics class for Junior 1. Dear students, our today's topic ascending order part 2. Our today's topic ascending part 2 and our lecture 14 and as well as our homework also 14. Lecture 14 and homework 14. Now let's talk about our topics. Put the numbers in ascending order. Dear students, look at the board. The numbers are 385, 480, 300, 410 and 499. You have to arrange the numbers small to big. So which number is the smallest number from this number? So 300 is the smallest number among this number. 300, yes. Now what is the next number? Next number 385, 480, 410 and 499. Which number will come first? Okay. Now 385 is our next number. Okay. Move on. 480, 410 and 499. Which number? Next 400, yes, 410. You have to write 410. Okay. Now rest of the numbers too, 480 and 499. So which number will come first, 480 or 499? Yes, 480 is the smaller than 490. Now finally you write 499 is the greatest number. So dear learners, 300 is the smallest number from this number and 499 is the greatest number among these numbers. Now let's arrange another group of numbers in ascending order. The numbers are 390, 405, 456, 351 and 324. Can you tell me which number will come first? Okay. 390, 324, 51. Oh yes, 324. It comes first. 324. Now next number. What is the next number? 390 and 351. Yes, 351 our next number. Now move on. Which number is next? Smaller number 390, 405 and 456. So 390 is our next number and 405 and 456. 405 is the smaller than 456. Now lastly you have to write 456. Dear learners, look carefully. 324 is the smallest number from given numbers and 456 is the biggest number among these number. So your homework will be put the numbers in ascending order. The numbers are 484, 448, 326, 500 and 375. You have to arrange these numbers on your SW copy. So dear learners, hope you understood today's topic. Submit your homework on Saturday. So stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.